From the Admin Tools section of your Formative navigation menu, you can view all of your teachers' data in one place. To view your school's common assessments, first click into Reports and then click on Common Assessments. Click any of the tagged common assessments to review. Use this tab to see a summary of all the common assessments being used in your building or district, depending on your role. Click the drop-down menu underneath the title to show you which teachers have administered the assessment. Apply the filters in the top right to view common assessments by time period, team, subject, grade, or assessment type. Click the Teacher Report tab to view the activity for each teacher from across your organization. Then, click to access their classes and all assigned activities for more options and details. Click the Team Tracker option to view how students performed on all assessments assigned during a given time period. You can apply filters to look at the data in small segments like the last week, or expand to view data in larger segments like the last 2 years. In the Formatives view, you can use those filter options to look at specific assessment types, such as benchmark or summative assessments. Any assessment tagged that way will appear in the report. Toggle the standards to see a quick look at how students, classes, and schools are performing against specific standards. You can aggregate data across multiple common assessments to reveal how students are performing on grade level standards being assessed. Use the pre-post comparison report to look at overall performance and growth across standards from a pre-test to a post-test. With this report, you can pull overall performance data like average scores and student distribution. You can also look at standards growth like average percentage point growth on specific standards across both assessments, and performance broken down by specific schools or individual teachers. For more information on how to create and run a pre-post comparison report or how to review data in Formative as an administrator, visit the Formative Help Center.